Good day, friends. Welcome to another WonderWorks educational film. Have you ever wondered how a baby learns to smile, take a very first step, or say their very first word? Well now, those remarkable moments begin long before they ever happen. Now then, let's take a peek. An orchestra. Every beautiful performance begins with musicians working together. Each musician has an important part to play. Some keep the rhythm, some carry the melody, and some add harmony. By themselves, they are wonderful musicians. But when they listen, connect, and work together, they create something extraordinary. Our brains work in much the same way. Billions of tiny brain cells work together to help us learn, move, communicate, remember, and experience the world around us. Every orchestra also needs someone to help guide the music. In our story, the Helpful Conductor represents DYRK1A, a gene that helps guide brain development. Someone who helps each section develop, listen, and work together. We all carry the DYRK1A gene, but in children with DYRK1A syndrome, a change in one copy alters the instructions. This change is called a genetic variant. In our orchestra, it is a little like discovering that one page in the conductor's music book has changed or is no longer available. The conductor still has an important job to do, but now some of the instructions are different. The music does not stop, but the orchestra begins developing with a different rhythm. This is usually a new genetic change. Because the brain developed differently from the very beginning, children with DYRK1A syndrome often learn and reach milestones on their own timeline. They may learn to sit, walk, speak, or complete everyday activities later than other children. This is not because they are not trying. It is because their brain's orchestra developed and processes information differently. Speech and communication are often especially affected. Some children communicate using spoken words. Others use signs, pictures, gestures, or speech-generating devices. Each way of communicating gives the child a voice. Some children may also experience feeding difficulties, seizures, differences in movement, or a smaller head size called microcephaly. The exact combination is different for every child. Of course, no orchestra succeeds alone. Parents, teachers, therapists, doctors, family members, and friends become helpful partners along the way. Through therapy, repetition, communication tools, patience, and encouragement, they help each child continue learning and developing. Every achievement matters. Every new skill is another part of the child's remarkable performance. Every child with DYRK1A has their own personality, strengths, challenges, and story. Understanding how their brain developed helps us better understand how they learn, communicate, and experience the world. Every smile, every step, and every new way of communicating is part of a remarkable journey. And every child deserves to be understood, encouraged, and celebrated. Until next time, keep wondering what makes everyone unique.